Welcome to Rewind and Explore, the channel that takes you on an epic journey through the annals of history. From ancient civilizations to modern revolutions, we're here to uncover the captivating stories, forgotten tales, and pivotal moments that have shaped our world. So, if you're ready to dive into the rich tapestry of human history, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the community of fellow time travelers. As the landing craft approached the shore, the deafening sound of artillery fire filled the air. I clutched my rifle tightly, my heart pounding in my chest. This was it, the long-awaited day, D-Day. The ramp dropped, and I leaped into the icy water, wading towards the sandy beach. Bullets whizzed past, kicking up sand, and explosions erupted around me. Chaos engulfed the shoreline as my fellow soldiers pushed forward, determined to secure the freedom we fought so hard for. Amidst the chaos, I spotted Lieutenant Anderson, rallying us with his unwavering courage. His voice boomed over the cacophony, urging us onward. We surged forward, dodging obstacles and returning fire, advancing step by step. The beach was a battlefield, strewn with fallen comrades and the remnants of war. The deafening roar of gunfire and the acrid smell of smoke filled the air. But through the haze, I saw glimpses of bravery and unity. We fought side by side, a band of brothers, pushing through the enemy defenses. We faced heavy resistance, but our determination never wavered. We clung to the hope that victory was within our grasp. Amidst the chaos, I witnessed countless acts of heroism. Medics darted through gunfire to tend to the wounded. Men risked their lives to drag fallen comrades to safety. Their courage ignited our spirits, propelling us forward. Finally, after what felt like an eternity, we breached the enemy defenses. The relentless fighting had paid off. We pushed deeper into enemy territory, inching closer to our objective. As the sun began to set, we stood atop the hill, overlooking the beach we had stormed. The sight was both awe-inspiring and heart-wrenching. The cost of victory had been high, and the sacrifices made would never be forgotten. In that moment, I reflected on the significance of D-Day. It was more than just a military operation, it was a symbol of courage, sacrifice, and the unyielding spirit of freedom. We had come together as a nation, united in purpose, to fight for a better tomorrow. The battle raged on, but we knew that our efforts on D-Day had set in motion a turning point in the war. We had paved the way for liberation, inching closer to the end of tyranny. As the stars emerged in the night sky, I felt a mix of exhaustion, pride, and determination. We would press on, knowing that the fight for freedom was far from over. But on that fateful day, as a U.S. soldier storming the beach, I realized the power of unity and the indomitable spirit of those who fought alongside me. If you've enjoyed this episode and found it fascinating, we would greatly appreciate your support. Please take a moment to hit that like button, leave a comment sharing your thoughts or questions, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Once again, thank you for joining us on this incredible historical adventure. We look forward to sharing many more captivating stories with you. Until next time, stay curious, keep exploring, and never stop discovering the wonders of our shared past.